Hey guys, let's solve 9 minus 9 times the quantity 9 minus 6. Many students work from left to right. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Then 9 minus 6 equals 3. Finally, they multiply 0 times 3, which equals to 0. This approach gives us 0, but it's incorrect. The error occurs because we're not following the proper order of operations. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, we must handle parentheses first, then multiplication and finally subtraction. So the correct calculation is, first we solve what's inside the parentheses. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Our expression now becomes 9 minus 9 times 3. Next, we perform the multiplication. 9 times 3 equals 27. Finally, we have 9 minus 27, which equals negative 18. Therefore, the correct answer is negative 18. The essential concept here is that parentheses must be resolved first, followed by any multiplication before we can perform subtraction operations.